Hello traders, can a trader make profit without taking any tips? Those who are beginner are just learning? Yes, you can use this app which I'm going to explain now. You can make profit using this app. How that we are going to talk about now. Hi everyone, this is Peter here. Already as I said that I have made a first part of Spark mobile trading app of Angel Broking. Now we are going to cover balance features of Spark Angel mobile trading app. To assess this, you need to have an AngelOne account. So for opening an AngelOne account, you will get a link on the description box. Just click on it and you can just continue your process. If you have any issue, we'll get back to you, or you can comment me on the comment section or contact us. Right. We'll go to the app directly now. You can see here this is a Angel Spark app. This is old one, right? Okay, I'm clicking on it. Once clicked, you will be asked for a user ID and password. Later, PIN number to open this app. Okay, I have already opened it, so it is asking only for a PIN number. Okay, once opened, the interface will look like this. Already this section I have made in a video, in the previous video. I will upload that in the I button. Those who are seeing this video first time, you need to watch that video first to understand better of this trading platform. Right. Already home part we have covered. This part we have covered. Now balance 3 part we are going to cover. Watchlist, portfolio and account we are going to cover now. We'll go to the watchlist directly now. This is how the watchlist interface look like. Okay, already watchlist is created. So now you can see my watchlist and stocks, investment stocks is there. If you want to create new watchlist, you can see here the plus icon. Okay, just you need to click on the plus icon. Okay, you will ask for create a watchlist. You just name it whatever you want. Like I'll create personal trade. Okay, I'll just put personal and you have to click on the create. The watch list has been created. Now you need to add the stock. Either you can add the stock from here or you can in the search column. Okay, I'm adding like HDFC. You can see HDFC is coming up here. You need to click on the star icon to add in the watch list, right? It has been successfully added. Now if you go back and see here personal, which I have created now, HDFC. Now next, if you want to add, you can click search in this and keep adding the stocks here. Okay, and if you want to delete the watch list, what you have to do, just long press it and you will see edit, delete and reorder. Edit is you can rename. Delete, you can just click on the delete, it will get deleted. And reorder, if you click long press and click on the reorder, you can take this stock one in the first place. Wherever you want, you can just keep it and click on the done button. This is the watch list part I have covered now. Right, now we'll go to the my watch list here. Right, here you can see a lot of stocks are showing up here. Now if you want to buy these stocks, if you want to see the fundamental, what is, can I buy these stocks? A beginner or a new trader, they do not know anything. Can I buy these stocks? Is it good stock? You do not know, right? So for that, once the stock has been added here, just click, I'm clicking on the Reliance. Okay, once this open, you can see open, high, low, close. This is the day open, high, low, close. Okay, and if you go up here, you can see the market. What is the market depth? People are sitting on the bid and ask price will show up here. 5 bid and ask price will show up here. And if you want to open the option chain of this Reliance, you can click on the option chain also. You can see here option chain, right? Click on the option chain and you can see the option chain from here also. You can even, it will show what is happening in the stocks. Like long build-up is happening, that means stock will go upside because long build-up is happening. Long build-up, long unwinding, or short covering or short build-up, everything will keep showing in the options. Those who are new, want to understand what is option chain or open interest, I'll upload the option chain analysis, one video I have made in the I button. You can watch that, right? Okay, you can even see the expiry wise, 24th, 29th expiry wise, you can see here, right? I'm going back now. Option chain we have saw here, right? Again, I'm coming to chart. Now overview part. You can see here the detail overview, technical, derivatives and fundamental. Okay, all this can be seen here. First overview, I'll go to overview. What is overview? You can see here, those who are new want to invest on the stocks, they do not know where to invest. What is this stock is doing? Is this stock fundamentally good? This stock financially is good. The company is doing good well. They do not know all those things. So AngelOne having the technical team and fundamentalist fundamental team. They do analysis based on the company growth, company balance sheet, company what they are paying the interest, all those things they'll analyze. P ratio, PG ratio, EBITDA, everything they'll do an analysis, and then they'll come within a just two things, like short term is neutral but long term it is positive. For so long term investment, if you are having a view of 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, for that long term view you can invest in this stock. That is what the long term view is showing here. If you want to know in detail, like no more, you can click on the no more, and you can see here the quality of the stock is good and price attractive valuation. It is valuation is attractive, right? Then you can buy. That is what it is showing. And financial trend, how is it? The company financial trend is positive. That means the company is giving month year quarter on quarter profit, and month and their interest, paying interest is debt free company. All those things they'll analyze, and they'll give in three things like quality, valuation, and financial trade. All are good. Okay, this is fundamental analysis. And the here fundamental analysis, if you know how to see the fundamental analysis, you can see here P ratio, price to book value, EBITDA, all this thing you can see here, ROEC latest, and shareholding pattern from promoters and FII, mutual fund companies, insurance companies, all those things you can see here. Okay, so overview and fundamental are covered here. By seeing this, after seeing, okay, you came to know that we can invest in this. Just click on the buy. Okay, this is delivery intraday. If you buy 10 quantity, okay, it'll ask for 2,592 rupees because I have clicked on the margin. And if you untick this buy margin, pay 25%, you have to pay around 25,927 rupees. And if you buy with a margin 4x, just click on the margin, you have to pay only 5,638 rupees. That means balance amount will be paid by the Angel, which they charge an interest of 0.049% per day. Okay, 0.049, it is least. Okay, they charge this interest for a day. You can take a MTF facility, okay, by clicking this and place order. That's it. Okay, for placing order. Hope you are very much clear on this watchlist part. Now we'll go to portfolio part. Okay, portfolio, I'll show you the open orders. Whatever the open orders will show up here. Okay, and positions, if you have any position is running right now, will show up here, and profit and loss will show up here. And if you want to close that position, just click on it. It will show square off. Just click on the square off, and you can just continue what it says. It will get squared off. And stock SIP. Hopefully, I already explained the stock SIP. So stock SIP is nothing but if you want to invest regularly few stocks which has a good fundamental, good balance sheet, good growth company. If you want to continuously month on month, if you want to invest as a SIP, like if you are selected 10 stocks, each stocks you want to buy one stocks, you can create those stock list here and fix a date, which date you want to buy. Every month, same date it will get executed if fund is available in your trading account. Okay, and GTT order, already I had thought what is GTT order, and here orders holding, whatever you bought, it will come into the holding part. Okay, you can see what all the holding you are having. If you want to if you want to build a portfolio here, just click on the portfolio. This has a good accuracy of AngelOne. What they give a call, so you can see 65% accuracy on intraday, 64% on short term, 69% commodity, 65% in the currency. And long term investment, you can see 190% return they have given. And Nifty mid cap, it has given 133%. Okay, that means the long term investment 197% return is very good return. Okay, even intraday 1:2 risk reward, 65% is very good. If you trade with their calls also, you can make a money. This is intraday. Okay, intraday they have given how much quantity they have. Max loss is 12 and quantity is 10, max profit is 60. That means almost it is above the 1:1%, 1:2%, right? This is how they give a call. You have to adhere to stop loss and target. Okay, right? This is, and if you want to start your investment based on Angel provides what call they provide, you can see here. If you click on the investment part, okay, the long term investment will open. You can see they have given a long term investment. These all the long term investment. Directly click on it and start buying for an investment. If these stocks, what price they have given to buy, it is gone above that price too much, don't buy it. Wait for their calls again. They will give you long term investment calls. You just click on, then invest on it. Or intraday, if you are doing a day to stop loss and target. This is what the advisory part to create your portfolio. I will come to account section here. Dashboard, okay, report and statement. If you need any trade and charges, you can click here and see what is the charges. One trade has done 25 quantity, okay, charges is 23 rupees 66 paisa. This is sell quantity, and buy quantity is 23.78, charges 11 rupees 30 paisa bought, okay. So 23.78 is the charges. All these charges you can see here, right? And if you want to see what is profit and loss, okay, what is profit and loss, you can click month and month. You can select date range also. What is the date range custom? If you click on the custom, it will take it to custom date range, okay. You can input which month to which month. If you want to see your profit and loss, it will show up. Or if you want to see October month, this is October month profit and loss. See, this green indicates you are in profit, this red indicates you are in loss. So 6th is profit, 7th is loss, and 11, 12, 13, 14 is profit, 17 and 18 is loss, 19, 20, 21 is profit, and 25, 27 is loss. That is what it indicates, right? Now if you want to see the date wise, what was the profit, I clicked on the 19th. You can see 19th they have made 11,167 profit, okay. And what are the trade they have taken on the 11th, it will show up here, okay. So date wise you can see the profit and loss, okay, even overall based on the custom range, okay, right. I'm closing this. And statement, if you want statement, you can click on the statement and you can take a statement based on date range, whatever date range you want. You can see a date range, you can take a download a statement, okay. And if you want view all reports, click on the view all reports, okay. You have to click view reports, you have to input the date range, so you will see all the reports here, okay. Right now if you go for a setting, you can see all these things are there, MTF facility, okay. If you go to setting, you will get a fingerprint one. You can change your pin, and black and dark theme, you can change your black and dark theme also here. And IQ chart and trading view chart, which chart you want to see, you can see that IQ chart. I have clicked trading view chart. How this trading view chart will looks, I'm going to my watch list stock and clicking on the HDFC Bank. It look like this. Again click on this chart, it will open the trading view chart, okay. It will open the trading view chart. You can do analysis whatever you want. From here also you can start buying. You can see here B and S, you can click buy and sell. If you click it, it will take to a buying screen, okay. And here you can see a Nifty and Bank Nifty, okay, Nifty and Sensex. If you don't want this Sensex, if you want to change it to Bank Nifty, click on this, untick this Sensex and tick this Bank Nifty, okay. So it will come Bank Nifty. Nifty and Bank Nifty will show up here, okay. This is how you can change this Nifty or Bank Nifty, whatever you want, you can change it. Hopefully I have covered all the features. If you have any queries, you can contact me or you can comment me in the comment section. So we'll try to clear all your queries. Thank you for watching this video, friends. We'll see you with next video. Thank you.